Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to get bad marketplace on Facebook iPhone. Now pay attention. Maybe I need to say something. Maybe Zuckerberg limit the marketplace for some countries. Okay, maybe your country not is available use marketplace. That is a one possibility. Now open your app store and update your app. Is that first thing? Okay, find your Facebook and make your update. Now when you are finished, okay, open your Facebook, and if you don't watch marketplace here in the below, okay, here, maybe you need make something. You need add your telephone number and your email, because it's like you need verify your account. Okay, Facebook need know that you are a true person. Okay, you need open your settings in three lines here and open your settings and privacy and settings then. Okay, now in your account center here you need add your email and add your telephone number. Okay, with that information Facebook know that you are a real person, and then you need close your app and open again. Maybe with that function you can find your Telegram here. The most probable option is that you need touch here in see more, because it's a new app in your Facebook. Is if you never used before, or because you never have a marketplace, that app you can find here in the last options. Okay, see less. Okay, touch in see more, and here you can watch your marketplace. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, and have a good day. See you later.